Today's featured car of the day is a sapphire blue 1966 Shelby GT350 Mustang with the Paxton Supercharger on it. And the question of the day will be, is it one of the 11 made by the factory that Shelby factory produced, or is it one of the somewhere between 50 and 100 Supercharger kits that Shelby sold over the counter through his parts catalog up into through 1969? That's the guess from the an estimate that I found of numbers on the internet from the Shelby Club. They figure there was about 50 to 100 of the Paxton Supercharger kits made between 1966 and 1969, and they installed 11 of them on the 66 Shelby GT350s, and then they installed another 35 on the 1967 Shelby GT350s. So it's hard to tell. Either way, no matter how you slice it, this guy is a rare one, especially being the sapphire blue and being potentially one of the 11. It's unlikely, but you never know. Or at least one of the 150, somewhere between 150, 185, whatever it is, less than 200 that were made that actually had the supercharger. It could be a day two install by him. I don't know. I know it does not have the gauges underneath the dash for vacuum and manifold pressure, so those were missing on the car. So that might give you a little idea of what's going on. And for an example, Mecum Auctions in Indy 2020, on Friday, July 17th, they sold a red one with white stripes, documented one of the 11 built with a factory supercharger, and that sold for $852,500 with the buyer's premium in there. And that one's in a well-known collection right now. Anyway, this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And like I said, it's a rare car, being the sapphire blue. It's probably the only sapphire blue 1966 Shelby GT350 I've ever seen. And I've been looking at cars for quite a while. So it's definitely a rare bird, even if whether it came with the supercharger from the factory or not, it's still a rare one and still valuable and still a great looking car. So can't beat the bright blue, that's for sure. Just like the bright blue Super V next to him in the pictures. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1966 Shelby GT350 Paxton Fastback, whether it's one of the 11 built by the Shelby factory or one of the 150 or so odd other ones that Shelby sold over the counter, the Paxton Supercharged kit of the 5,000 that he originally promised to buy from Paxton. But either way, it's a rare bird, and I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. You can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.